Ki samla pule ka North Eastern Hill University NEHU ki penlong jia ki kila Kyntait ya karai jong Vice Chancellor u Professor PS Shukla ban thung ya ki Pro Vice Chancellor na kabenta ka Shillong bat ka Tura Campus. Haba keren sikilat pathai kubor u General Secretary ka NEHU su u Toniho khasati ulaong ngim pediang ya karai balashim da u Vice Chancellor bat hakajing shisha ngi penramjur ya kani karai jong Vice Chancellor da kabaong ban thung ya ki Pro Vice Chancellor ha baru ki artali ki campus jong ka Shillong Batura. Syak bangan kren syai bangilas dang ya kini gajing syak tangan baklemput halor kanong rim bandawa weng mardor ya UVC. Ngila ap kami linti ya kejubab na UVC namar ngila yo i bawat menteri rang ba kejalaru ula penpau bahadu keporjan min ngin sayo ya kejubab kababha. Henry kini kejubab kelong penban ha kejaka ba UVC unsyak penmi no na ka campus. Henry ula thung penban ya ki Pro VC ya kaba ki seng samla pule kimla satya ban pediang dalileiru. Ngin persyak ya kini karai ulaong. Uni uno ya lam ki samla pule ula penpau ru ya kajing sngau persyak ya kajing penbera bala penmi dau assistant register planning da ka boong ba uni ubriu udehi ubala thung dau VC. Namar kata kani kajing lek don bor jong VC ha ka ba syem ya karai kat ba udang don syabar jong ka skul ba bat klem dabut ya ki kendon kade ka ka ba ki seng samla pule ki penramjur bat ngim yo i ya kanu kajing mentoy na ka bakum kani karai bat ngin beteng ban persyak ya karai jong VC ula benrap.
Regarding this order, in the Shillong campus, Professor S.M. Sungok from the Department of Education will be appointed as the Pro Vice Chancellor and Professor Femilin K. Marak will be appointed as the Pro Vice Chancellor in the campus of Tura. So, regarding this order, we from the NEHU Students Union we stick on our demand that we will not follow any order from the Vice Chancellor who is outside of the campus, giving orders and appointing people on his will as he have been doing for the past 3 years. So we stand firm on our demand that we will not follow his order, and the appointment will be done tomorrow on the EC meeting. Upon the decision will be made tomorrow. So from the NEHU SU and the KS2 NEHU unit, they are not ending their hunger strike just because of this announcement. As you have seen in the news that he is saying that there will be an important and big news after 2 hours. But my dear friend, this is not a big news for us. A big news for us is for his resignation, him stepping down. I want to shed some more lights on this order. This order was Registrar Planning in charge, Professor Biswal. A little bit on his history. He is now a professor in the Department of Zoology. What is his qualification? His qualification is a lab technician in the Department of Bioinformatics for around 10 years. Can a lab technician be promoted as a professor? No. So these kind of people, Vice Chancellor are appointing on his will without a discussion of any of the stakeholders of the university, and he can remote control them from outside of the campus. Do you agree with this kind of order? No. My dear friend, this kind of notification are only released by the registrar or the joint registrar or the AR of the establishment too. So, as you can see, still, as we are protesting against him, he is still. If I'm not wrong, I think he have approaches people on their capacity to release this order, and nobody has agreed, if I am not wrong. But this Assistant Registrar of Planning, regarding of the Planning Department, is releasing an order to appoint a Pro Vice Chancellor. This is a balanced joke on the university. So my dear friends, from the NEHU Student Union and the KS2 NEHU unit, they won't have any bit of understanding regarding this order. They won't accept it in any form. We will, from the NEHU and the KSU NEHU unit, we will stand firm on the hunger strike until the VC step down. Yes.
Of planning, he is an illegal appointee And we are not surprised by the fact that this notification also is an illegal appointment of the Vice Chancellor who is not in the campus of the university. And we shall not tolerate such kind of action being taken by the Vice Chancellor. I would like to state that this appointment of the pro-VCs in both the campuses has been done meticulously by the Vice Chancellor. He has appointed from both community of the state, that is from the Garo and the Khasi community, and this is done to ensure that this movement that we have been carrying on for so many days now to be diverted from this hunger strike, this demand that we demanded the Vice Chancellor to resign. Our demand to appoint the Pro-VC has not become a main demand now. Our main demand has become the removal of the Vice Chancellor, his resignment from the position, because he has failed to fulfill those demands as per our memorandum to appoint the Pro-Vice Chancellor in both campuses. It has prompted us in that particular day that we demanded the Vice Chancellor to resign himself.